What's up, wizards? Let's play a little game called Will It Error. I have some code here on the left-hand side that has some functions, and these functions are all three different types of functions. So there's one that takes in a number, one that takes in a string, and one that takes in a boolean. Then I'm mapping over these functions and just calling each function in turn. I have TS_NoCheck here, and when I remove this, it's going to actually show if there's an error on here or not. So, will this error? You have 5 seconds to work it out. Tell me either yes or no. Pause the video, put it in the comment section below, put your life on the line here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It errors. It errors because if you think about these my functions, they're actually like a union, right? It's a union of A number, B string, and C boolean. Now you might think, sure, if I just pass in one of those, then it's actually going to be fine here. But let's imagine that we have this function here and it's this one, right? We can't pass a number in there. We can't pass a number into this one too. So this function ends up actually being like arg0 never here. This is what happens. All of the things kind of collapse, and it means you have to pass something that is a number and a string and a boolean, which is impossible, so it ends up being never. If you had like ID string inside here, and I change this one to like name string, then this function would end up needing both of these parameters here. It would need ID and name string in order for it to be valid, for it to be called. So this was just a nice little thing to kind of like get the idea of how functions behave when they're unioned together. I've been Matt Pocock. You should check out totaltypescript.com. It's a great place that you can go to like learn some of this stuff so you can answer the next one better next time. But anyway, I will see you very soon.